So, at 20 years old, if you had asked me what was the secrets, I think there were 4 or 5 things I would say today, if I look at it. And number one was time. It always takes more time than you think at the age of 20 because you're in a hurry at that time. Number two is if you want to be a multimillionaire, you really want to build a business, keep a full-time job or keep a part-time job on the side before you start running towards your dreams, because it's very hard when you're dead broke to be able to start working towards your dreams because you're struggling all the time. The next thing would be is bigger is not always better. Meaning bigger is not always more profitable. A lot of times smaller, simple things that are repeatable and duplicatable will make a lot more money in the long term, and certainly that's what builds a business. The next thing was that just because you have big dreams doesn't mean life is going to hand it to you. Meaning everybody starts out with big ideas and big dreams, yet very few people achieve those because of the next point. And that is that it's more important, rather than just being smart, what's much more important is having the ability to be able to think in a linear manner and to be able to follow through. There's a lot of people that have immense natural talent and are smart that are beat by people that have the ability to be able to clearly think through and follow a process. Ash, I wish at the age of 20, I knew those 5 basic things.